In the late 8th century, along the cold shores of Scandinavia, a new era was thrust upon the world. It was the beginning of the Viking Age, a time when men and women from Norway, Sweden, and Denmark set forth across the mists of the sea, driven by a thirst for adventure, wealth, and settlement. These Norse seafarers left an indelible mark on history as both ruthless raiders and skillful traders, respecting neither boundaries nor horizons. In a modest village tucked amidst the fjords of Norway, a young man named Leif stared into the restless waters. His heart was as turbulent as the sea itself. Leif had always admired the tales told by elders of distant lands, of kingdoms rich with gold and territories ready to be claimed. His uncle, Erik, was an experienced warrior who had returned with treasures enough to build a small fleet. Inspired by glory and promise, Leif chose to embark on his own voyage. Leif was not alone in his pursuits. Sailing alongside him was Astrid, a woman of remarkable intellect and tenacity. Astrid was known throughout the village for her keen sense of trade and diplomacy. Unlike Leif, Astrid did not seek battle, but the prosperity brought by exchange. She imagined a time when Vikings would be known not only as raiders, but also as respected merchants. As they prepared their sturdy longship, the Fjord Raven, neither could predict the trials and tribulations that awaited. Their mission was dual: to explore unknown lands and to return with riches, whether through conquest or trade. Their first stop was the mist-shrouded monasteries of England, rich with treasures, but defended only by holy men. As their ship approached, anticipation hung thick in the salty air. The raid was swift and fierce, leaving Leif conflicted beneath his sense of triumph. Continuing their journey, Leif and Astrid headed southward, across the Channel into Francia, where the Viking reputation preceded them. In the bustling marketplaces of Paris, Astrid found opportunity. She haggled with merchants from across Europe, trading Norse goods for supplies that strengthened their ship and crew. The voyage stretched onward, from the Iberian coast to the Byzantine Empire, each stop offering new challenges and rewards. Leif's warriors faced battles with fierce competitors, while Astrid negotiated alliances that enriched their holdings. Yet adventure took them further still, onward to the unknown reaches of the northern Atlantic. Leif longed for uncharted territories, while Astrid dreamed of establishing trade routes not yet imagined. After many months at sea, the Fjord Raven made landfall on the icy coast of Greenland, an expanse both alien and magnetic. Here, Leif's vision expanded, understanding the potential of new settlements far beyond Scandinavia. When finally they returned home, their ship was heavy with treasures, not just gold and silver, but knowledge and stories that would echo through generations. Together, Leif and Astrid exemplified the spirit of the Viking Age, a time not only of conquest but exploration, not only of cruelty but of curiosity. This era was marked by grand exploits that changed the world's map and economy. Through their deeds, the Vikings transformed from feared raiders to legendary explorers and traders, known for their formidable ships, brave spirits, and unparalleled navigation skills. And thus, the Viking Age would reverberate, leaving a legacy of adventure and discovery that lasted well into history.